Today we're going to do a few different experiments, or try them out, or something fun. The first one that we're going to work on is called magic milk. So we just need some blue dish soap, milk, some kind of glass pan, cotton balls or Q-tips, and then I'm using a small Dixie cup. So first we're going to pour a little bit of milk into the bottom of the pan. Oh, and food coloring is optional as well. Alright. Now I'm going to put a little bit of dish soap into a Dixie cup. Now dip the cotton ball and the Q-tip into the Dixie cup. While you do that, I'm going to put a little bit of food coloring in there. Yes.
Like this?
No, just dip both of them in there. I'm going to put some food coloring in the milk. You can use multiple colors, but you don't want them to touch. I'm going to do teal and pink, but I don't want them to touch. Okay, now take the dish soap Q-tip and just put it in the middle. Okay, hold it in the middle of it, in the middle of the tin or pan. Now you can take the cotton balls and put them in there too once you get them with this soap. That's so cool. Why don't you dip just let that go. Dip a cotton ball in that dish soap and try it.
I already did.
Stick it in there anywhere you want. Drop it.
Now I don't know if you
Q-tip worked better.
yeah. No, I got it on the table.
That's okay. Ooh, look at it swirling around that cotton ball. Where are you gonna put the Q-tip? Looks like cotton candy colors.
Yeah.
Oh, you're supposed to hold it in there, not just drop it in.
Yeah.
Is that the last one?
Yeah, that was the last one.
So with the cotton ball, try to just hold it in the spot inside. There's nothing over there, yeah. Now just let it go. Cool.
Yeah.
Alright, let's try another one. Magic milk worked pretty cool. This experiment is going to be a weather experiment, and we're going to try to make it rain. So we have a jar filled with water, and that's supposed to represent air. Now we're going to add a thin layer of shaving cream on the top. It's just Walmart or Dollar Tree shaving cream. Blah. Put a really thin layer on. Okay. And that's supposed to represent clouds. And clouds, as you all probably know, and then we're going to use the food coloring. Clouds are just a large collection of really tiny droplets of water. The droplets are so small that they can float in the air and they make clouds. We're going to put some drops of food coloring on the top, and that's going to represent rain sitting on top of the clouds. Okay, that's good. There it goes. Yep, she made it rain. You can see the clouds, the shaving cream on the bottom. You see it's really dark. And if you notice, every time it rains, the clouds get really dark. So now you'll know why. It's because all that rain is on top of them. And it's making them really dark under there. That's pretty cool, huh?
Mm-hmm. So, now can you turn the camera off?
There it is. It's raining in that jar like crazy. On to our next experiment. For this experiment, it's supposed to be dancing popcorn. We'll see if it works. We'll need a little bit of white vinegar, which I have cleaning vinegar, which is already mixed with water, so I'll probably have to use a little bit more than what it calls for. Some popcorn, baking soda, a cup with a little bit of water in it, about a little under half full, and then optional is food coloring. So here we go. First, we're just gonna put a little bit of popcorn in there.
That's not popcorn, it's cool.
It's popcorn. Alright, let's put a little bit of food coloring in. I don't want to do too much because I want to be able to
Okay, some pink and some purple and
Oh,
some blue.
where's... I don't want to do too much. How about pink, purple, and blue? Let's say do a little bit. If it works, we can do more afterwards. Okay, we're gonna do 2. I have a 1/4 cup here, and we need a 1/2 cup, so we'll do 2 of these. Always add more later, but then we gotta do a tablespoon of baking soda. Ah! Oh boy. Oh no! Go get paper towels. Oh, that's gonna smell so bad. But it's dancing. Oh my god.
Yeah,
Okay. You see it?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so it worked, but the moral of the story is do this somewhere where, like in a bathtub. Do it in a bathtub. Alright, gotta go clean up now. Bye, thanks for watching.
Hiding